Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now by right-clicking the speaker icon in the taskbar and choosing Open Sound Settings. This gets you directly to Windows 10 audio controls. Once there, scan the output dropdown and select the physical device you expect, speakers or headphones, because the wrong device mutes sound. Next, click Sound Control Panel on the right side to see playback devices. This step lets you enable, set default, or test devices. Make sure to act on the visible device immediately, not later. Now you configure the chosen device. In playback, right-click it and set as default device and default communication device so apps route correctly. Once set, open Properties and go to Levels to raise volume and balance. Then open Advanced to confirm the sample rate matches your hardware, 44, 100 Hz or 48, 000 Hz commonly. Configure the speaker setup and press Test to hear clicks. If you still have issues, disable Enhancements in the Advanced tab, because driver conflicts often cause dropouts. To finish, make sure drivers are current. Open Device Manager, expand sound, video, and game controllers, update or uninstall the audio driver, and then scan for hardware changes to reinstall. Once done, restart Windows 10 so changes take effect. After reboot, return to Sound Settings and run Test again. If sound still fails, run the built-in playback audio troubleshooter and follow its prompts. This often pinpoints permission or driver issues. One troubleshooting tip: attach a different speaker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.